Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Buyung Fajar Ahamsyah from Class A2 Mathematics Education, Faculty Education of Mathematics and Science, IKIP Siliwangi. Today, I will to identifying the article. This article has 5 components including introduction, literature review, research method, result and discussion, and conclusion. A title of article is How to Design Teaching Materials to Improve the Ability of Mathematical Reflective Thinking of Senior High School Students in Indonesia, written by Mr. Haris Hendriana, Mr. Hari Dwi Putra, and Mr. Wahyu Hidayat from IKIP Siliwangi Indonesia and UPI Indonesia, received on 21 April 2017, revised on 1 Agustus 2018, and accepted on 6 Agustus 2018. So, I will to describe both introduction of article. The principle of learning in the curriculum of 2013 emphasized on a paradigm shift, namely, A. The student are taught becomes the student find out. B. Teachers as the only source of learning becomes learning based on a variety of learning research. And C. A contextual approach becomes the process approach as strengthening of the use of scientific approach. Based off Kemendikbud, scientific approach facilitates students to acquire knowledge and skill based on a scientific method, observing, trying, reasoning, asking, and concluding. Students are directed to the process knowledge, discover and develop their own concept with regard to the subject matter so that, if provided an opportunity for students to cultivate high-level thinking skill, literature review. Teachers should design innovative mathematical learning by giving students the opportunity to explore their abilities from Hendriana 2017. And then, teaching materials prepared properly can determine the success of the student in understanding the material studied from Widodo and Jasmati 2008. Next, reference from Kemendikbud 2013 state that the scientific approach is a learning process in which students are encouraged to think logically, coherently, and systematically because the real learning is the scientific process or science itself. The learning using scientific approach comprise 5 components as follow: observing, trying, reasoning, asking, and concluding. From Brown and Walter 2005, design the strategy is called what if not this strategy emphasizes the manipulation of some element of the problem and its effect through 5 stages. Research and method. This research is a research and development which produce teaching materials. The research methods consist of stage, namely an introduction, literature study, observation, and interview. Product development of teaching materials, test by a team of experts, and research trial to the 11 grade student of senior high school in Seman 2 Cimahi, Seman 3 Cimahi, and Seman 4 Cimahi. Result and discussion. Students in Seman 2 have improved better than students in Seman 2 and Seman 4. This is because Seman 2 is a school with high criteria. Student in Seman 3 have better improvement than student in Seman 4. This is because Seman 3 is included in school with medium criteria, while Seman 4 is included in school with low criteria. But the difference in the score they have is not very significant, because the three schools are both in a good school group. The instructional materials is appropriate for students at high, medium, and low criteria. School is school in an effort to improve reflective mathematical thinking. The last is conclusion. In developing teaching materials through a scientific approach with what if not strategy, it loaded the activities of observing, trying, reasoning, asking, and concluding. The design of teaching materials consists of three parts, namely, the beginning involve a cover, preface, and table of content. 2. The content section containing the title of the chapter dealing with the rules of enumeration as a representation of the content of the chapter. 3. Contextual problem that exists in the student life. And the last for closing, as a reflection and evaluation of the material presented on teaching materials for the next revision. Thank you for watching this channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.